Welcome to Cyclops video tutorials series. We are going to showcase how to deploy Postgres swiftly on your infrastructure, so if you are eager to run your database in containers, look no further. Follow us through 4 easy steps. Step 1. Register your host. In this step, you connect your host with Cyclops. To do so, navigate to the Add Host page. Following the on-screen instructions, copy the generated command and paste it into the console of your server. Step 2. Using the default services. You are going to use the Docker engine and Docker container simple default services and configure the container service to include the proper settings for Postgres. Navigate to the services section from the main menu. Click on the Docker container simple default and then click on Edit. Make the following changes. Enter Postgres as image and 16 as tag to set the respective version. Enter the port mapping to expose the default database port. In the environment variables, set the password. Enter a Docker volume mount to the default path Postgres stores the data. This is to persist data across the container lifecycle. Click on Save Changes. Step 3. Deployment. To be able to deploy Postgres, you will need a stack containing Docker engine and Docker container simple units. Navigate from the main menu to Stacks. The default simple containers stack will do for our case. Locate it and click on the Create Setup button. The Create Setup form will be pre-filled with the stack and the services you reviewed previously. Click on Select Target and ensure that the registered host from the first step is selected. You are ready. Click on the Deploy button and watch Postgres deployment on your host. Step 4. Test Postgres connection. Now, validate the successful operation of your Postgres container by executing the following command on your host. Witness the databases managed by your Postgres container listed before your eyes. For further insights and assistance, refer to our comprehensive documentation at Cyclops Docs.